My name's Kevin Gardine. I was born in Windsor, Ontario, Canada. I just recently graduated from Sheridan College with my honors Bachelor in Illustration. There, I was taught to learn how to do all sorts of different illustrative techniques using pencil, paper, and paint. I was also taught how to do digital artwork. I've used my skills in studio settings, doing concept work for video games. I've also done some work as a freelance artist, doing logos, business cards, and stuff of that nature for corporations. The course I'm teaching in collaboration with Video School Online is an extensive beginner's drawing course that is going to teach beginner artists looking to become professionals or hobbyists from the absolute basics into advanced techniques. Since I was a kid, I always liked drawing, and now that I'm older, I see it as a very valuable skill to learn. Most major media companies always need a 2D illustrator in order to create initial ideas that other artisans can look at and learn from and expand upon. So I think it is a very marketable skill, and I'm excited to teach you all that I know about it.